What is up? It is the live stream lounge off hours, hanging out. And today there is a little knife here that can only mean boom, it is unboxing time. Today, this should be bandanas. And I know what you're thinking, bandanas is a little strange. Aladdin 3477. Do characters even wear bandanas? And the answer is not really. There are a couple bandanas, like maybe some extras in the background of like a marketplace. Maybe had one worn in an interesting way, but not really. One of the bounty hunters. But I thought it would be cool to have bandanas. What is this? Oh, it looks like, oh, this is just a piece of cardboard on top. And, oh, would you look at this? Nice and red. It looks like these are bundled in groups here. Let's take a look. Nice and clean. Oh, these look cool. These look great. So the way that these bandanas work, let's see if I can get one aside here. The way that these work, now that we can kind of see one up close and personal, man, these look great. These are cool. Wow. Okay. So let me put these aside here. The way that these work, there is 4 different languages, now that you can see these up close and personal. There's 4 different languages here. Down here, this is Khmer, which is from the Kingdom of Cambodia. This is Chinese, but it's, in particular, it's, oh my gosh, I forgot the word, Cantonese. This is Hindi, going this way. And this is Thai up here. These are the 4 languages you probably hear the most in the Aladdin 3477 trilogy. There are a few others. It's a globe-trotting adventure. Faux show. But these are probably the 4 you hear the most. Actually, English is what you hear the most, but outside of English, these are the languages that would be most spoken. And there is just a lot going on here and a lot of cool things, different ways that you can fold. And there's always something neat to discover. Like here's Umi's tiara. There's one of the Chinese war swords. Here you can see a giant Lochan Shyamalan, right? There's a sky sail. There is a lamp of wisdom. There is a Taj Mahal, but also you can see a Taj Mahal here. Lochan Shyamalan silhouette. All kinds of stuff. Here is one of, this is the gun that you see Aladdin holding in the movie poster. All kinds of stuff to look for. And there's different ways to fold this so that either Lochan Shyamalan is visible, or you can fold this in a way where, like if this were a do-rag on your head, you would have the red star visible on top. Lots of different ways to fold and configure this. And I studied a bunch of bandanas to try to figure out their patterns and what looks good. I literally drew some things out. I wrapped it around my own head to design these. Had a lot of fun. Anyway, these look super cool. We're going to have to do on one of the next live stream lounges, we're going to have whoever my guest is model wearing the bandana and showing all the different ways you can fold it to put it on. All right, guys, rock and roll. Thank you so much for checking in. Be good, and I'll see you guys soon.